Right, we have a similar example here. We have two fractions that are being subtracted, and I'm going to take a look at their denominators. The denominators look very similar, although there is a small difference. They seem to have exactly the opposite sign. So over here my x is positive, but over here it's negative. Same is true of my y. Over here it's negative, and over here it's positive. So here's what I can do. I can just focus on the denominators for a second and say the first denominator, x minus y, can kind of be created over here as well. First, I'm going to just change their place. I'm going to flip them around. I have negative x plus y. Okay, what happens if I factor a negative for my second denominator? The first fraction is not changing at all, but the second fraction is going to have a negative over here, and then x minus y. Okay. Now I can go ahead and easily write the same denominator for both of them, because x minus y is common between both of them. This negative down here and this negative down here can cancel each other out, because we have to remember negative can be moved around. It doesn't matter for me if I write it down here or if I write it up here, or I could even write it right next to this negative. In that case, here's what I'm going to have. Let me try showing it this way. The first fraction is not going to change, but the second fraction is now minus 5 over x minus y. Do you see how this negative can be moved around, can be inside the denominator, numerator, or right next to the previous negatives? That's why these two are going to give us a positive. So 10 over x minus y plus 5 over x minus y. The denominators are the same, so I can just go ahead and combine the numerators. 15 over x minus y. And yeah, that's basically it.